Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Edge is updated and you're signed in. That keeps settings and extensions synced. Once done, open Edge, click the three-dot menu, and choose Extensions to begin. You'll see a short extension gallery and an option to get extensions from Microsoft Store. Click that option now so you can search efficiently. This first step gives you access and permissions control. It prevents installation conflicts and saves time later when enabling the extension. You search the store for the extension name or a descriptive keyword. Results load quickly. Once you find it, make sure to review permissions and user feedback to understand why the extension needs certain access. After verifying, click Get, then choose Add Extension. Edge will download and install it, and you'll see the icon appear in the toolbar. If you want it pinned, click the puzzle icon and pin the new extension so it's always visible and ready to use. You finish by opening Extensions and selecting Manage to configure options like Site Access and Startup Behavior. Adjust these so the extension only runs where you need it. Make sure to pin or hide the icon for a clean toolbar. If the extension misbehaves, first toggle it off and on, then reinstall. If problems persist, restart Edge or reset settings. This approach isolates issues quickly and restores functionality without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.